below 210 degrees Fahrenheit. Everything is a-okay. 4x4 automatic. Nice interior. Pretty nice little Jeep Cherokee. Anyways, they bring me this thing with a cracked radiator, and apparently it was running hot, and I replaced the radiator on it. At first we thought it had a blown head gasket, but it turned out the head gasket's okay, and the head gasket's okay, and everything is running better than normal. I mean, the car should be right at 210, and as you can see, it's below it. On a hot summer day, like earlier today, it'll probably get there. But I mean, the cooling system has the best radiator fluid money can buy, AMSOIL radiator fluid, and it did an oil change, tune-up, spark plugs, front brakes, the whole 9 yards. It has brand new tires. The Jeep is for sale, and it's a clean little 4x4 Jeep. AC works great, interior looks beautiful, and I am glad that it's over with, because honestly it was a pain in my butt, and she's all done, so I hope the customer enjoys. Anyways, another one goes home to a happy customer, and I can finally go home and rest.